In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to program run workouts in Trainerize. We'll build a basic run, turn it into a structured interval session, schedule it for a client or a program, and show you how tracking ties it all together. Start on Trainerize Web. Log in on your computer. The web version makes programming quicker and easier than mobile. Decide where the workout should live. Use the workout library if you want a reusable run you can assign anytime. If you're building a full training plan, open programs and work in the calendar so you can place runs on specific days. Create a new workout and choose run as the type under cardio. Give it a clear, descriptive name, something like easy run, 3 kilometers, tempo run, 20 minutes, long run, 45 minutes, or interval run, 5 out of 1 minute fast, 1 minute walk. Add a brief description if you want to include purpose or reminders. Choose how the run is measured, distance in kilometers or miles, time in minutes, or calories if you're targeting energy expenditure. For example, set the distance to 3 kilometers or the time to 30 minutes, whichever matches your goal. Set your targets. You can add target distance, time, and pace, plus notes. This is where you guide intensity with cues like run at conversational pace, stay at 730 to 800 per kilometer, or warm up 5 minutes first. Clear instructions help clients lock in the right effort. Save the workout. It's now available to assign anywhere. For a structured or interval run, open the run builder and add intervals. Choose from run, walk, rest, or jog, and include a warm up and cool down if needed. A simple layout might be warm up for 5 minutes, the intervals, then cool down for 3 minutes. Adjust durations to fit the session's intent and keep the naming consistent so clients understand the flow. When you're done, save the workout. To schedule it, go to a client's calendar or a program calendar. Click the date, add a workout, and select the run you created. If you want it to repeat automatically, set the frequency to weekly every 2 days or use a custom cycle. This keeps your plan organized without manual duplication. Clients can optionally sync tracking from Apple Health, Garmin, Fitbit, or Google Fit. Trainerize will record data such as GPS route, pace, distance, calories, and heart rate when supported. To review results, open the client, go to Activities, then the Cardio section to see maps, splits, pace charts, and total distance. This makes it easy to check compliance and adjust training based on real performance. That's the process. Build, save, schedule, and track so you can focus on effective coaching and progress.